Sensoji Temple, crowds, rickshaws passing. Every traveler who comes to Tokyo visits Asakusa, the lantern, the temple, the market streets. But what if I told you there's something hidden, just a few minutes from here? A shrine that almost no one finds? Today, we're leaving the crowds behind and following a small path most people never notice. It's quieter here, almost like stepping back in time. Tourist holding a camera follows. Wooden houses, small shop signs, hanging paper lanterns. If you listen closely, you can still hear the temple bells, but softer, like they're guiding you somewhere secret. Entrance to small, tucked-away shrine. And then, suddenly, it appears. Hidden between two old buildings, a tiny shrine with a fox guardian and a single lantern that's always glowing. You are walking closer to a shrine details. Water basin, paper fortunes fluttering. Offerings locals say this shrine protects wanderers, people who lose their way physically or emotionally, and helps them find their path again. Maybe that's why it's never crowded. It's waiting for the ones who truly need to find it. Standing here, you can feel a strange calm, like the city is still spinning outside, but time here just stops. There is a breeze moving through prayer ribbons. Soft light change. Places like this remind me that Tokyo's real magic isn't in its skyscrapers. It's in its quiet corners, its forgotten alleys, and its hidden shrines like this one. You are leaving the alley, city lights reappearing in distance. Subscribe today to Traveling with Beatris, Hidden Tokyo series to discover more future tips, hidden streets and neighborhoods, hidden food and local eats, secret cafes and rooftops, and much more on this amazing Tokyo trip.